Welcome to the demonstration of Revit Base Tools. Revit Base Tools makes it possible for Revit to communicate with IMPACT Precast and exchange information between the two platforms. In this film, I'm going to show you the workflow from a design model in Revit Structure to shop drawings in IMPACT Precast based on AutoCAD. This is an overview of the reference project that we're going to look closer at later on. We have a design model in Revit, and by using Revit Base Tools, we can save all the elements from Revit to IMPACT 3D BIM Database. Then we can continue working with the elements by using 3 different IMPACT modules. We can generate floor plans and shop drawings in IMPACT Precast based on AutoCAD, view the whole model in IMPACT Model Viewer, and we can view the information about the project in IMPACT Project Manager. The project that we're going to look at is the Malmö Congress Concert and Hotel. It's a real ongoing project where Skanska is the main contractor. The project consists of 3 connected buildings located in the center of Malmö in the south of Sweden. The highest building is about 90 meters with 27 floors. The 3 buildings with a total of 90,000 square meters is scheduled to be completed in 2014. And the building that we are going to look closer at is the highest, the hotel. All design and production in this project will be done by using Revit Structure and IMPACT Precast. We start by opening the design model of Malmö Congress Concert and Hotel project in Revit Structure. The first thing we need to do is to connect Revit to a IMPACT project by running Select IMPACT Project. In this dialog we choose Factory and Project. By switching to section view, we can see the levels that's created in Revit, and by running the command create levels, we can create impact levels by transferring data from Revit to IMPACT. This is done by checking the create box for all the Revit levels and type in impact level and building name. When all the levels are checked, have an impact level and building name, we click on OK. Now we're going to map the Revit families to impact definitions by running Families command. In this dialog, we first choose element type. In this case, I'm going to start with walls. And you can see that all the Revit wall families are listed. Now I look after the Revit families that I know is used in the design model. When I found the right families, I select the correct impact definition on the right side. And when I'm done with that, I click Apply and Close. The wall families are mapped, so now I can run Save Element command. I mark the entire model and click on Finish. The dialog Set Element Mark shows, and IMPACT suggests an element mark. Click OK. The next dialog lets us know how many elements that was saved to the IMPACT database. By using IMPACT Model Viewer, we can get a visual image of the elements that is saved in the IMPACT database. And here you can see all the walls that were just saved. The next step is to repeat Families and Save Element command so that the rest of the elements can be saved to the IMPACT database. I have repeated Families and Save Element command, so now all the elements are saved in the IMPACT database. If I mark one element in the design model, we can see in the property dialog some information about the element. If we check the same element in IMPACT Model Viewer, we get the same information that we just saw in the property dialog. The floor it belongs to, element mark, ID, length, etc. Now we can open IMPACT Project Manager. And here on the first page we can see the project summary. The next and final step is to generate shop drawings in IMPACT Project Manager. Select elements under Element Marks and right-click and choose Batch Generate. Template and drawing name is default selections from the wall definition. Click OK. Now we can finally open our shop drawings in AutoCAD. You have now seen the workflow from a design model in Revit Structure to shop drawings in IMPACT Precast based on AutoCAD. The project ended up at 34,000 square meters, 16.8 thousand tons of concrete and steel, and a total of 3,634 elements. If you would like to know more about Revit Base Tools, you are welcome to contact us at Strusoft. Visit our website at www.strusoft.com for contact information. Thank you for your time.